The SEC has been suing Ripple since last year and has caused Ripple quite a lot of problems. But recent news shows that the SEC is being very unfair and actually tried to scam Ripple. Everything about the start of the holiday season was a disaster. It was a great year for Ripple, the digital currency firm established by Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, as it rode high on the first crypto bull market in several years in 2020. The case was eventually dismissed on December 22, 2017, and the effects were felt almost immediately. The SEC's move wiped out more than half of the $28 billion market value of XRP, the cryptocurrency closely linked with Ripple, according to the SEC's website. Exchanges were racing against the clock to remove XRP from their systems. As a result of the SEC investigation, Ripple's reputation has been tarnished as well. But Ripple might be about to win this case as the SEC's scam attempts become more and more obvious. Stick until the end of this video to find out all about the latest news regarding this exciting law case. It was a rough holiday for sure, comments Garlinghouse. I've always viewed myself as one of the good guys in Silicon Valley who does what's right, only to have the US government assert in an inflammatory way you're playing dirty. The SEC's response to the Ripple case will serve as a litmus test. If the government wins its case, it will create issues for a large number of other Bitcoin companies. The Department of the Treasury's chief financial cop will be humiliated, and its enforcement powers will be weakened if it loses the case. Furthermore, tensions between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States are already high due to the fact that both sides have strong feelings towards the other. The dispute between Ripple and the SEC is not over yet. The lawsuit, on the other hand, is still going, and the cryptocurrency community, particularly Ripple users, are counting down the days until it comes to a conclusion. Given the current condition of the Ripple action, the judges in charge of the case have granted an additional 60-day period for fact-finding to the parties involved. It is stated in this ruling that the lawsuit schedule has been amended as a result of the extension granted. The judge's extension, in particular, extends the period of time allotted for fact discovery to occur. Furthermore, as a result of the judge's ruling, the time for completing fact discovery gathering has been extended to August 31, 2021. Finally, despite the 60-day extension, Judge Sarah Netburn has scheduled expert discovery for October 15, 2021, notwithstanding the 60-day delay. By the way, are you invested in Ripple? Let us know in the comments section down below. Following the filing of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Ripple in December, the cryptocurrency exchange has never remained silent on the SEC's allegations for even a single day. The company is continuing to defend itself fiercely in an attempt to disprove the SEC's claims, and this is expected to continue. Regarding Ripple's ongoing response to the SEC allegation, the company has chosen to remain mum on the details of its evidence. Ripple has previously made a Freedom of Information Act request to the SEC in order to get information from the agency on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple submitted the letter largely in order to get different internal SEC documents about their position on Ripple's claim that it is not a security, according to the company. In order to promote this point of view, Ripple even established an explicit difference between Ethereum and its own cryptocurrency, XRP. The emphasis on ETH's pre-mined phase, as well as its initial sale or fundraising effort, was a major focus for Ripple. Nonetheless, Ripple used this comparison for the crypto industry to realize that it too is a security token in the same vein as the rest of them. On the other hand, the never-ending struggle between the SEC and XRP, as well as the SEC's most recent accusation against XRP, has resulted in a significant concern. The consequence is that people are unsure if the SEC is just ripping off XRP or whether it is acting legitimately. Although we will never know whether anything is real or untrue unless it is confirmed, we can speculate. As a result, we'll have to wait for the final decision of the relevant authorities. People have been wondering when the Ripple SEC issue would be resolved, but it looks like the battle will continue indefinitely. The expert recovery phase will now be completed on October 15, 2021, as previously indicated by Judge Sarah Netburn in her decision on the case. This clearly suggests that the matter will continue for at least another 2 months before it is expected to be resolved. There appears to be a rise in anxiety in the cryptocurrency sector as a result of the extended timetable. Furthermore, even after the case is concluded, XRP holders continue to count down the days. With that being said, the XRP community is looking forward to Ripple's victory over the SEC. The SEC, on the other hand, has become pretty unpopular since its unfair treatment of Ripple can quite well be considered a scam attempt. In addition, the SEC's past also makes them seem pretty suspicious. Also, make sure to write your thoughts about the SEC's actions in the comments section. Concerns have been raised about the fairness of the SEC's 8-year delay in bringing charges against Ripple. However, the agency has defended the delay by characterizing the company's actions as a rolling initial coin offering, or ICO, with its latest XRP sales seen as part of a continuing determination to violate securities law. According to former SEC Chair Mary Jo White, this legal concept doesn't fit and sticks in your craw. Furthermore, as a result of its uneven treatment of other high-profile blockchain technologies, the agency finds itself in an uncomfortable situation. These include EOS, which raised an astounding $4 billion in initial coin offering, or ICO, that ran from 2017 to 2018 and whose marketing included billboards in Times Square. EOS is one of the most successful cryptocurrencies to date. The project has since been dogged by controversy, including worries about its centralized structure. However, the SEC got EOS off the hook in exchange for a $24 million fine, which was a pittance considering the project's magnitude and left many attorneys confused. The Ripple case will be critical in setting the agenda for the SEC's next chair. Rather than adopting a more liberal approach on cryptocurrencies, as many in the industry had anticipated, Gensler has hinted that the SEC will maintain its firm stance on the cryptocurrency. This month, he added, the SEC would look at other elements of cryptocurrencies, such as stablecoins and decentralized financial institutions. But the legal foundation for such an agenda may be thin. Already, Gensler has faced criticism from a rival agency, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, as well as from one of the SEC's commissioners, who believes he is overreaching in his remarks. Matt Levine, a well-known Bloomberg writer, made a similar point earlier this week. Given this uncertainty, Gensler's plan would be strengthened if the SEC were to defeat Ripple in court, but it would be utterly derailed if the SEC were to lose. What do you think about the SEC's attempts to sue Ripple? Do you agree that their actions can be called scamming? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. Hit like if you believe that Ripple will win this case, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our updates regarding this law case. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen right now because, trust me, you don't want to miss out on that information. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.